So here we are. Got a Harry Potter here. Night bus, ages 8 plus, 76446. It's 499 pieces. Don't get why they couldn't just put one extra in to make 500. So I'm just showing you around the box. We'll get straight into this as well. So you get Harry Potter, Sleepy Witch, Earl, Stan, and Padford Foot. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get into the build. But yeah, just before we get into the build, if you do like this video, you want to see more builds like this, I am splitting this up into each bag, and then I will be putting them all into one big video. There's the stickers, what you need to do. I don't like stickers for Lego. I know it's what they do. I personally don't like it. So there's the first bag. There's the fourth bag. There's the third bag. Oh, it's fell over. The Batman mags fell over. I'll put them to one side. And we'll get into the first bag. Oh, there's two little bags inside that bag. So let's speed this up and let's get into it.